I want to show you how I put together this Red Sea Reefer 250 G2. It's a 65-gallon reef, and this is what it looks like after 100 days. So the first thing we're going to do is create some floor protection and put all our cabinetry out on the floor, figure out which piece is which, and start assembling them. Once our stand is assembled, we're going to place it right where we want it and center it to the wall, as well as level it. And then we're going to place the aquarium right on top. Make sure that's centered and leveled as well before placing the refugium and plumbing the overflow. Here's the refugium starting to be assembled. As well as installing the lights. Here's a closer look at the refugium. We have our reef mat, protein skimmer, heater, doser, as well as our auto top off. It's going to squeeze right in there.
Nothing like filling a fresh tank. Here we are. New Reefer 250 G2, filling up, getting ready for livestock.
Added a pair of clownfish about 2 weeks in. These are Ocellaris clownfish. Here's another look at the refugium. Just added a refugium light and chaetomorpha algae. Here's a starry blenny. Create some algae control in our tank about 1 month in, as well as our first coral, a frog spawn and a mushroom. On day 60, this is when we saw the algae start to pop up, which is pretty typical. You see some green algae as well as some slime algae. We're going to do a nice service, add some invertebrates, and replace some chemical media. And for this specific case, since the client wanted the aquarium to look good quicker, I'm going to use this little UV light from Hygger. Does a great job at killing some of this algae at the source by killing the cells. And here it is, day 75, looking good. The coral's starting to grow and gain some color. And on day 100, here it is. Super excited to add more things next month. And all the products used in this video can be found in the link description below.